Welcome to Water Well Online, the water well management system that a driller needs. Today, we will explain everything about how to create and edit branches. After creating a client with one branch, we can add more branches to that same client as follows. First, go to the Customers module and locate the client to which the new branch will belong. Then, on the Customer Details screen, in the Branch Information section, click Add. Fill in the information for the new branch, including the name, description, and address. If the client has more than one branch, just click the Add button to create more branches. Click Save to keep the changes, or Back to return without saving any changes. To edit an existing branch, in the Branch Information section, click on the Options button next to the branch and select the desired action. Branch Details, Edit Branch, Change Branch Owner, Merge Branches, Split Branches, Print Details, or Delete Branch. Please note that you cannot delete a customer's only branch, and you cannot delete a branch that has water wells with service orders created. This would delete all history of the water well. In Branch Details, you can view and/or edit the name, description, address, previous names, and wells of the branch. At the bottom, you will find a map showing the location of all wells in this branch. In our system, we understand that customers change names or sell their facilities. The Previous Branch Name section allows users to search for a branch, even if its name has changed. Once a branch is created, you can edit it and add old branch names, or set a new name for the branch, selecting Set this as current name. Each name added will appear as a new line. In the Branch Wells section, the list of wells that belong to the selected branch is shown. Click on the well name to view the well details, or click options for actions such as Well Details, Edit Well, Create a new service order for this well, or Delete Well. For more information about wells, watch our video about creating and editing a well. Also, we invite you to watch our videos about Change Branch Owner, how to merge branches, and how to split branches. And that's it. Creating and editing branches on waterwellonline.com is that simple. Subscribe today at www.waterwellonline.com. If you need assistance, contact us through our social media channels at Waterwell Online, fill out the contact form on our website, or visit our Help section. Waterwell Online, start your free trial now. It's free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more information.